Most of us wake up with good intentions, a list of things we want to get done, goals we want to achieve, but then the day takes over. Emails, meetings, messages, little fires to put out. By the time evenings comes, we are exhausted. But that big important task we plan to finish, it's still untouched. If that's your life, I want you to know something. It's not that you are lazy or bad at managing time. You just don't have a system that works. That's where time blocking comes in. Time blocking is a simple but powerful way to structure your day so that your most important tasks actually get done. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, what time blocking is and why it works, how to set up your first time blocked schedule step by step, tips to make it realistic and sustainable, and the mistakes to avoid so you don't quit after a few days. By the end, you'll be able to plan your next day with clarity and finally feel like you are in control of your time, not the other way around. So grab a pen, open your calendar, and let's build your first time blocked day together. So, first, what is time blocking? Time blocking is when you schedule your task into specific blocks of times. Instead of writing a big to do list like work on report, check emails, exercise, you assign each one a time slot in your day. It looks like this: 8 to 10 am, write report; 10 to 10:30 am, check emails; 5 to 6 pm, exercise. That's it, but the difference is huge. Instead of drifting through your day asking, what should I do now? You already know what is next. Think of it like this: if something matters, it deserves a spot on your calendar. And here why it works: it removes your decision fatigue. You don't waste energy deciding what to do next. It protects time for what matters most because you schedule it first. It reduces distractions because when you're in a block, that's the only thing you are doing. This is not about filling every minute with work, it's about intentionally designing your day instead of leaving it to chance. How to build your first time block day. Now let's actually build your first time block day. Open your calendar. Google Calendar works perfectly, but a paper planner or any scheduling app will do. We're going to do this in 5 steps. Step 1. Write down your top 3 to 5 priorities. Not 20 tasks, just 3 to 5 of the most important things you want to finish tomorrow. If you are overwhelmed, ask, if I only got those done tomorrow, would I be satisfied? That's your list. Step 2. Estimate how long each will take. Don't guess wildly. Be generous. If you think your report takes 1 hour, blocks 90 minutes. Add buffer time for unexpected delays. Step 3. Schedule your task into blocks. Drag those tasks into your calendar. Start with your hardest or most important one in the morning when your energy is highest. Example: 8 to 10 am, deep work; 10 to 10:30 am, emails, messages; 11 to 12:30, creative or strategic work; 1 to 2 p.m., meeting or calls; 2 to 4, admin task or lighter work; 5 to 6, gym. Step 4. Add breaks and buffer time. This is where people mess up. If you schedule non-stop blocks back to back, you will fail. Add 15 to 30 minutes between big tasks for transition and breathing room. Step 5. Color code your blocks. This seems small, but it makes big difference. Blue for deep work, maybe green for health, red could be for meetings, yellow for personal time. When you glance at your calendar, you will instantly see where your time is going. That's it. You would have built your first time block day. When you wake up tomorrow, you will know exactly what to do and when. No guessing, no decision fatigue, just follow the plan. Pro tips to make it work. Now here is the reality. Planning your day is easy. Sticking to it, that's where most people fail. Here is how to actually make it work. Number 1. Don't overpack your day. Leave empty space. If you plan 12 hours of work task, you will get discouraged. Start with 4 to 6 focused blocks. Number 2. Define your time blocks. Treat them like appointments. If someone asks to meet during your deep work block, say, hey, I'm booked at that time, but I can do later. Number 3, plan tomorrow today. At the end of each day, take 10 minutes to review and adjust your blocks for tomorrow. Number 4, start with one or two big blocks. If you are new to this, don't try to block your entire day. Begin with just one or two critical tasks. Build from there. Why this works? Here's why this works so well. Number 1, it forces you to focus on one thing at a time. When you are in a block, that's all you are doing. Number 2, it reduces procrastination. It You can't push tasks to later. Later is already planned. Number 3, it gives you control over your time. Instead of reacting to your day, you are leading it. The best part, it frees up mental space. When work time is over, you can actually relax guilt free because you know you did what mattered.